Hello friends, welcome. So I have some few announcement to make and we'll start shortly with all the details. So we have added also tutorials today and I request all of you to watch that, and we are continuing our TTK bootstrap and various widgets we are discussing, and one of the most important widget is table view. So there we can display the structured data there, so that will be highly useful because any application you take it, data display is one of the important aspects, are widely used also. So this particular data display we will be discussing more on that. So keeping that in mind, today what you have uploaded is a very basic one, how you will handle the column properties, that you have discussed in the tutorial and I have already uploaded that. So we'll wait for others to join, then I will give you the highlights for that. This particular tutorial, when you are watching on a table view, takes the data. Some other day or tomorrow or day after we will discuss about the source from different sources, that also yesterday I told you. So this part right now let's forget about the source of the data, because tomorrow or day after we will cover that. Now we will see what are the properties of the column headers and the data, how you will manage. Few things we have discussed yesterday also, day before also, about the paging and all. Fine, that's gives a good idea, or very without using much of the code you can do that also. But here let's just focus on that the column headers also has lot of properties, we can fine tune it. So by using the property, those things are mostly discussed in this tutorial, what you have added it, and please go through that tutorial and see that. And once again my request is, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will get all the notification, and please tell your friends also to join, so we can have a very good useful discussion. Now back to our tutorial, I will just show you. Let me just come to my Visual Studio Code. Here it is. So you can see I have some few different properties of this column here. You can see this is the L1 is the column. Here I am connected, column header is connected to call data. So this attribute tell points that what should be the our column header, and here it is. You can see the text is ID, stretch is false, width is 50, anchor is center. But here is the thing, when I was experimenting with this code and all, I found that this anchor is not that much effective. This I have not discussed in the tutorial also. You just see, then subsequently while I running, I found that everything is the left aligned, right aligned, everything you can do it by using the right click. That is why probably they are not given, and it works moreover after a table view. So it reads, if your data of the below the column data is integer, then it automatically takes a right align, and if it is a text, it takes a left align. So let's just run it and see once. Hope you are able to see this. Yeah, here it is. I have just intentionally changed the colors, alternate colors I have changed here. You can see it, color, it is in info. I can change this to, if you see there are two colors are there, so I can just change it. So that is why. Okay, fine. So what I did is, I have boot style is light. Now let me just change the boot style. Here I will close this. Boot style is strip colors is not info, it should be light. I am doing, then boot style is info. So I am giving boot style as info and here as light. So let's just see. Fine, you can see this is very light. There is a rows difference is very less. Actually, you will able to mark it. Okay, let me, instead of light, let me put it bit dark. So you can alternate colors, because next color I am showing is none. So, column this has taken automatically the right aligned and the text colors are left aligned. We have also discussed this is when I am trying to say reducing the space for the name, it automatically moves to the right, because why it is so, because here you can see for the stretch is true, name column stretch is true. So, once stretch is, if any available space is there, it automatically it will stretch it. See, there is available space and it takes it up, but same thing won't happen for ID, because ID I have give set is stretch is false, rest width, minimum width, everything you can do. Now, one important aspect is just putting the mouse over any column, I will just right click it, then I will say align, align left, align, I can change the alignment. Let us say align right I am doing. You can see all the names have come to this side. Now, the mark also you can see now it is aligned, align left, hide column, reset table, everything I can do it. Now, I can click mark column, this is now it is ascending, I have hit the column. So, it is going up 60, 70, so it is in the descending order. Now, I will just click this, now it is ascending order, that also I can do. I can just like this, you can export all rows, current page, selection or the records in filter. If your filter will give you a good start to it. Now, because future we will be working more on this table view, and because lot of our small projects whatever we develop we will be using this. So, I request all of you to read this thoroughly. These are very basic foundation on the table view. Once you have a good control or good understanding of this table view, we can extend it to displaying data and all. So, let us just come back to our screen here and see. Yeah, that is the table view, friends. Once again I just request you, please put some effort there, and this link is there in the description. Study all those. So, how the alignment towards taking data from different sources. Namaste Pratik, Pratistha Singh, okay, namaste. So, you can just check it slowly as we move towards more of a table view. So, you can find that you can see this we will get all the data. So, all this paging, this sorting, all this will be useful, because that way we can display the data. And note that here using this TtkBootstrap, we are not only improving the look and feel, we are also improving the flexibility, exporting data, importing data, all these are built in with the system. So, you need not have to write a separate code. Say many times you ask me how I will export the data to a CSV format or Excel. That is what is just you right click it, export data, what data you want to export, everything you can explain it there. Hope this much is enough. I have left the tutorial is there. So, you can see that entire tutorial. Put your questions, ask the questions. If you have any ideas, suggestions, doubts, anything, ask, put the questions there, or you can ask me here, and continue reading that table view, because it's an important widget, and moreover it gives lot of flexibility in creating also, and source is important. How where from the data comes from different sources, will take the data and then display it using the table view. That way, because in real life situation you don't know where from, because we will be developing a app, say given it to a student hostel management or a library management and all. So, data comes from from a Oracle database, from many sources the data can come, but here when you are watching this, so how you will integrate a backend data and all, that we will see when there are different sources are used. That will slowly will go there. I just want you to understand basically what's the table view is, how the properties can be changed, how column alignments can be changed, how data can be exported. One more important thing also, let me just I don't know, I can show you. Yeah, here yes. Now, in this, suppose whatever I have is there, I can move to top. Various move options are there, move up, move down, move to top, move to bottom, all the move options are there also. So, you can use that one. You can delete what the row you have selected also. Let me just see that fourth row I have selected now. Now let me just delete it. Row is deleted. So like that I can do. See this same thing we are doing it earlier by writing a code. Pick up the ID, then write the code to delete it and all. Here nothing is required. Just right click. You have all the tools here. Export, say select multiple rows and all. Everything you can do this. So I'll just tell you this is a very powerful tool and use this. So this is for any data display requirement and all, tabular data in particular. So this is quite useful. It is not only for the look and feel, it gives you lot of flexibility and tools for you to manage the data. So that's all friends. Let me just come back here. That's also to join, and you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will be always notified about the whatever tutorials we are adding. Some disturbance I think, yeah. Yes, I think some disturbances are there, streaming issues are coming up. Okay friends, if no more questions are there, we can tomorrow with a request to all of you to join tomorrow also, and we can stop the session here. Some errors are coming on my screen. I don't know whether you are able to see it or not. Not enough data. I think my net issue is there. That's all friends. Please join us tomorrow. We'll continue this table view again, and the URL is there. Anyway, you can read this, discuss, you can see, watch all the videos and all, and prepare for a small but important projects what you will work in future. And please tell your friends also to join, and the request that tomorrow also join at the same time. We will connect and discuss. This is a technical discussion. Ask your friends also to come and join. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.